Scaramanga must be fined by Johnny Bravo for a robbery. He was going to his secret place to find him. When Johnny arrived at the place, he did not find him. That made him feel so angry, but he decided to put this out of his mind and be positive. Then, trying to control his frustration, he asked if the secretary knew where he was. Laughing, she said that he would never be found, and she said that he was losing his time. When she said that, he climbed out of the window because he thought that Scaramanga had run away at the moment that Johnny went to his secret place. Johnny did not find him, but when he started to think where Scaramanga was, he remembered that Scaramanga was going to a gym frequently, and Johnny thought he was going to rob the gym. Scaramanga robbed the gym just like Johnny thought. He was going out with silently because he did not want to be arrested. What he didn't know was that Johnny was waiting for him because he knew everything. When he was running away, Johnny shouted out and he was arrested by Johnny. When this happened, he did not believe this and he thought that everything was all in his mind. Johnny was so happy to fulfill his goal. That was a great victory because that makes criminals not get away with it.